Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Veriff for ID verification and insurance onboarding, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Veriff for ID verification in your insurance onboarding process, start by navigating to the Veriff website. Create an account if you haven't done so already, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, access your dashboard to begin the configuration process. Locate the settings section, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on Integrations to find the tools necessary. Select the option for ID verification from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to create a new integration, entering necessary details specific to your insurance service. Keep track of your API keys, which will be needed for integrating Veriff into your application. Next, visit the API documentation provided by Veriff to understand the integration requirements. Ensure your application meets all technical prerequisites listed in the documentation. Now, proceed to configure the user experience by customizing the verification flow. Set the verification options according to your insurance onboarding requirements. Decide on the types of documents you will accept for ID verification. Implement additional security features, such as liveness checks, to enhance fraud prevention. Once you've completed all configurations, conduct testing to ensure the integration functions smoothly. Simulate different user scenarios to verify that the ID verification process meets your standards. Monitor the logs and analytics provided by Veriff to assess the verification success rates. Make any necessary adjustments based on the feedback and results of your testing phase. After finalizing your configurations, launch the ID verification feature in your onboarding process. Train your team on how to handle any issues that may arise during the verification process. Regularly review and update your configuration settings to adapt to changing compliance requirements. Continue to monitor the performance of Veriff in your onboarding workflow to ensure optimal efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.